Okay, so this is a 1999 Chrysler Sebring LXi. It's making some type of noise that who knows what the hell it is. Uh, I do think it's a lifter, but just tell me what you guys think it is. So there you guys have it. It's not a raw knock. I am pretty sure that it's a lifter, but here, as you can tell, the noise starts when it's about 15,000 RPMs. And around there, it's still going. So right there is at about 2,300 RPMs. It's making that noise. So you guys let me know what you think. Thanks.